Hi guys, I want to show you something. I drew this like this last night. Today is April 21st. It's the King of Clubs Day. And as you can see here, I have the Soul card above and the Spirit card below. The King of Clubs is the birth card. Okay. Now, I know a lot of people call these karma cards. And we definitely have very powerful experiences with these people. But more than that, to me, and this is to me, um, these cards represent very powerful aspects of who we are. Our soul card is the origin of where we've come from, and it represents the gifts that we bring into this life. Our spirit card is that which wants to be expressed through us. So this is like, the Holy Trinity here with our birth card, our soul card, and our spirit card. The spirit card challenges us. And when we embrace those challenges, then we experience the opportunity that they hold, which is our truest self-expression. Our birth card is like the gown we're wearing to the ball, the costume we're wearing to the ball. You're not all going to wear gowns, but you know what I'm saying? It's like that's our personal signature in this life. And when we embrace the totality, because those three cards really are like a cosmic collection of who we are in this life, the role we came to play in time, and what we came to learn for ourselves. And the entire life path has so much information about that. These three cards are particularly important for us because when we understand them, then we understand how to really express who we are and what our path and journey is in this life. And so, karma, yeah. However, more importantly to me is the fact that these cards peel away the illusion and help us understand ourselves in the deepest way possible. You can't beat that. I hope you're enjoying the day, and I'll be back. Thanks for watching. Click like, please, and subscribe if you like, and then you'll know I'm going to try to post more little ditties like this. And I am going to be in Chapel Hill for the entire month of May, and I will be available for sessions. So if anybody wants one, you get in touch with me somehow here. My website's below and my email. And thank you for watching. Have a great day. Okay, bye.